What's up, guys? It's Mr. Michaels. I wanted to make a balloon activity video that can show you the different types of activities we can do with a simple balloon that can help you with your catching, your hand-eye coordination, your hand speed, the ability to use your legs, and your head, okay? The first part of it is learning how to catch. This is really good for our really small students because a balloon, it travels slower than a ball and they have more time to track it. So if they're really young, the first thing I would always teach is to keep the arms out and just to drop it to them and let them bring it in. And then once that skill gets developed, then you can toss it to them and they can bring it in like that, all right? So start with dropping it to them. Once that gets advanced, and then toss it to them, and then we can move on from there. The other part is we now want to take the balloon. I would say keep one hand in your pocket and try to keep it up in the air for as long as you can. I would say do it 30 seconds at a time with each hand. So just keep propping it up. Don't let it hit the floor. Follow it around as necessary. Okay, again, 30 seconds, switch over to the other hand, repeat the activity. The next one I would suggest is how to use your legs. Now the legs, we've got our knees and our feet. So one way we can do it, if you're a parent and you're working with your student or your child, you can toss it to them and have them kick it. Or if you're doing it by yourself, you can keep trying to use your knees. And even if you have to grab it each time you use your knee, that's okay. Or you can just run around and keep trying to kick it like that, all right? But take maybe a minute, and it takes some practice to try to keep this thing in the air, all right? But again, you got your knees and your feet you can use for this activity, okay? The next part is trying to keep it up in the air using our head. You see this a lot in the game of soccer. So toss it up, or if you're helping them, you can drop it down to them, but toss it up and try to just keep using your head to bop this thing up in the air. I'm far from the best, but you get the idea, okay? The last one I would recommend is you laying down on the floor, and if somebody can drop it to you, and then try to use your legs to just kick it up in the air as best you can. It gives you another angle, and it makes it a little bit uncomfortable, but doing things from an uncomfortable position can make things easier from a comfortable position, such as standing up, okay? I would suggest while somebody's actually laying down that you actually drop the balloon to them as another way to help them learn to catch, just keeping their hands ready. And remember, we don't want the ball or the balloon to hit them in the face, okay? So that's some activities we can do with a balloon. Doesn't take too much, and it'll help, again, hand speed, hand-eye coordination, learn to use your head, learning to catch, and learning to use your feet, all right? That's all I got for now. Coach Michaels, I'll see you guys next time.